Hi, my name is Melissa van Dijk, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can use the Ordinary Niacinamide 10% plus 1% zinc. And this is a water-based serum that can help you to reduce the look of skin blemishes and congestion. And you can use this one in the morning and in the evening daily. Now for best results, I definitely would recommend starting off with step number 1, which is washing your face with your favorite cleanser or favorite hydrating bar of soap. And then if you want to include your toner in this skincare routine, then this will be now your second step. You don't have to use a toner if you don't have one, then just skip on it. And you're basically just going to apply the serum directly after you have cleansed your face. So I have already washed my face and I'm ready for the application. And it's recommended to use 1 to 3 drops for the entire face and neck area. I figured out that for me 2 drops are just fine. And then gently blend it between your hands and start patting it all over your face and neck. Now this serum can foam, which is completely normal for this serum. But it also will become more visible and noticeable when rubbing it into the skin instead of patting it. This is why I definitely would recommend patting it into the skin. Then you also may come across an issue which is called pilling. And this is also where it kind of looks like your skin is going to flake off. But it's not your skin, it's the product like that you are just applying or that you used beforehand. And it's basically just rubbing off. I have a specific video on that one in the top right corner if you want to check it out. And what's really important is that you're going to give it a bit of time until it has fully soaked into the skin. Your skin should feel dry afterwards, and if you still can feel the stickiness or strange layer over the entire face and neck area, then you probably use too much. Also make sure to leave it on the skin, do not wash it off. Now the niacinamide serum can be used alone, or you can also finish it with your favorite moisturizer in the morning, or for example an oil in the evening. If you want to use an oil, I definitely would recommend using it in the evening, since most oils can also feel a bit heavier. Or what you also can do is, if you have your favorite combination with your oil and moisturizer, just mix those two. Now go ahead and use a pea-sized amount of your favorite moisturizer. And if you just want to stick to your moisturizer, then just blend it between your hands and gently apply it all over your face and neck area. Same goes for the oil. If you just want to use your oil in the evening, go ahead and use a few drops of it. Then blend it between your hands and also gently use it all over your face and neck area. Personally, I really like the combination using my moisturizer and mix it with the oil. And then gently blend it between my fingers and hands and applying it all over the face and neck area. Now please remember, when using the moisturizer or oil, do not wash it off, leave it on the skin. Now, if you want to include your niacinamide in a little bit more of an advanced skincare routine, then you also have to be aware of the conflicts, which are basically pure vitamin C's and ethylated vitamin C's. And if you want to know more about it, I have a very specific video about this one right here in the top right corner. Also, I do hope that you enjoyed this video and little demonstration on how you can also use the niacinamide as well as include it in a very simple routine. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up as well as share it. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon in the next one. Bye!